What's going on, world? Welcome back to T3 and me. Of course, here's the man of the hour, T3. Say what's up, T3. He's busy focused. Say what's up. Not right now. Well, I'm Tim Ford Jr. And y'all know, beside every great man, there's an even greater woman. There's my wife, Siobhan. We got an exciting journey for y'all. Yeah, we're going to Zanzibar, people. Zanzibar. Yeah. We got something in store for y'all. So stay tuned. Stay tuned and make sure y'all enjoy. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. Special guests, I forgot about it. We also got special guests to show y'all. So stay tuned. Where we going?
Yep.
You ready to roll, son? You driving, all right?
Y'all, we about to get on the ferry to Zanzibar. We taking the Zan ferry. So eating his muffin. Is it good, TJ? This is the little lounge waiting area, y'all. These are the ferries over here. And that green one is the one that we're gonna be on. Zan Fast Ferry. Y'all, so this is the ferry that's gonna take us to Zanzibar. We're here earlier. They have one of these at 7 a.m., 2 p.m., and 5 p.m. And of course, we took the 7 a.m. one so we can have a full day. Zanzibar. These are some of the other ferries we're not getting on. Different companies. I have like 3 or 4 different companies that ferry people back and forth from Zanzibar to the mainland every day pretty much. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be taking. It's about an hour and 10-minute drive. Hey, you ready for Zanzibar? Huh? Yeah. Say yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Good job.
You eat your muffin?
Here. Here, man.
You trying to drop those to the floor? See you. JoJo and T3 playing together. We boarding the ship, man. A little walkway. That boat is going to Kilimanjaro. I don't know how long that ride is. Gonna go T2 or T3? What's up?
We headed to Zanzibar.
Zanzibar.
Zanzibar. Show the city.
We go to the city, y'all. Dar es Salaam. Zan Fast Ferry, y'all. The lady, the owner, Paul Korea, she was very nice and helpful. I recommend this company. They have 3 classes. They have the economy class, which is outside. The business class is inside, and then the one up from business, I think it's called the executive class. And they give you like light food and light snacks or food and drinks on the
Light food,
ferry.
snacks, and drinks.
Look, I don't know what all they gonna give us here. I'm gonna let y'all know them. T2 hungry.
So hungry.
But yeah, y'all. And we would journey with us too. So
Yeah, you ready?
we in the inside of the ferry now, y'all. These steps. Hey. inside. What's up, Jeremiah? You ready for the trip?
Okay.
They got a TV in here. They got a little bar area. I think we're the only people in here. There's one other person. There's one other person in here. Jazz, you ready for the trip? Yeah. You ready, Joe? Okay. We inside the ferry now. The shit's about to leave in about 15 minutes. Last couple of people getting on. Got Wi-Fi service. And, you know, all that good stuff.
And this is the platinum class. Nice and relaxed. They even got a private room if you want to just chill with just 6 people and do your thing. Go in here, close the door, and it's private. Yeah. Baby lingo. Jojo. Boom boom. Yeah, T3. Let me get some dap. Yes, sir. Good job, y'all. High five. Oh, boom boom, my bad. Yeah, high five. Which one you want to do? High five. Boom boom. Okay, okay. Boom boom. Yes, you gotta give me some boom booms now. Yeah. Say hey. You want boom booms too? Can't leave you hanging.
1 hour, 10 minutes.
I
know who's not taking a nap.
So when the 1 hour is done, it's gonna take 10 more minutes.
You know how many minutes that is?
T3 made a friend like always.
T3 and Karen. They're the same age. She's taller than them.
Hey! Hey! You're pretty.
Is this your daughter? Yeah.
They look like cousins.
Huh?
I said they look like cousins.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Y'all, we're off. Look at all those people taking boats.
Wow.
Got the skipper ship. Yay! T3 is excited. Oh yeah, y'all. We got about an hour and 10-minute ride. Smooth sailing to the island of Zanzibar. We're gonna be here for 4 days, so we're gonna have a lot of footage to show y'all and to upload. And look how beautiful the ocean is. This is the Indian Ocean, y'all. So, yeah. See y'all soon.
We gotta get down and dirty to change the diaper.
Literally.
Literally. This man decides to boo boo. As the ferry taking off.
Yes, sir.
That's what
That's
babies
my boy.
do. Calm down.
He mad because he want to see his shit.
Right.
You know?
Where we going? What you doing? I gotta change it. You can't walk around smelling like this.
You made us think. Think about it.
The job never ends, y'all. You always got something to do. You think you just gonna chill?
And enjoy the ferry ride?
No. Golly.
Oh my goodness. What you doing that diaper, boy?
And he grinning. Oh.
ain't gonna show that part,
You
y'all.
can't show this part, but y'all, you can see my reaction.
He dropped the load off in there, didn't he?
Bruh.
That's my boy. Good morning, Pooh. I can, from the smell of it.
Oh, man.
I'm glad that you're the one doing it this time.
You better be glad. You just get your hair done. Because if you did, you would have been doing it.
What that got to do with anything? What? People say anything. You lucky. You lucky my left shoe ain't on. Like, what? Got to do with
We got
anything.
new whites. They stuck. There we go. Boy, your butt is right.
Yeah, I made a stink.
Don't you hate?
Let me help the T2 out. There you go.
Get some good whites. Satisana.
Ferry Boo.
Oh, get your hand out of there, man.
Oh, God.
You can't play with yourself
T3
all
like
day.
to
Leave your
touch
stuff alone.
his family jewels as a whenever they appear. He's trying to figure out what's going on down there.
What are these? That is where your legacy come from, son. Oh. I know. Stop, man. She can't save
I
you.
don't know why he calling me.
Yeah, we're trying to yell your
I'm gonna do
name.
nothing but go down there and finish up.
Come finish up, though.
Right.
Be careful what you wish for.
Right. Cause I'm gonna get you good.
She wipe harder.
No, I don't. You wipe harder. You tearing up. I be having to tell him like, hold on
Go
now.
soft. I can't go soft.
The baby butt.
Good thing you make baby powder and butt balm. to help
I know
rub
T2
it.
be tearing up his behind. The way he be wiping T3.
Chill.
T2 behind be raw.
Chill. I'm probably used to it now.
Right. But good and chafed up. T3 laughing
What you laughing
too.
at, man?
I guess you know what we're talking about.
Oh. He grabbed the diaper. Good thing Doodoo didn't waste on him. He would have preferred it. He's over here grinning. We finished. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Clean booty. Yeah. Say thank you, Dada. No.
Say
that's
love
all
you,
I
Dada.
get. Okay, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, not headband. Give me a kiss. Hey. Mwah. No, you. No. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, T3.
He's just
You
too
ready to
excited,
play.
y'all. He ready to have a good day.
First time on the ferry.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
See? Say bye-bye to the people. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, you look so cute.
No, I'm not in the mood.
Damn fat
Peace
old, big fat cheek. Bye-bye.
T3 couldn't hang. I had to bring him over away from his mom so he could take him and get him some rest. It'd be nice if I could fall asleep, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. But you know, it is what it is as long as he can rest. But we sailing to Zanzibar now. Peaceful ride. It's my first time on a ferry. It's not what I expected, I can tell you that. I I was expecting something totally different, like the old school ferries. But this is very new school and laid back, chilling. Nice view. The wife is somewhere over there. She probably asleep at this point too. T3 over there sucking us dry. All he do is breastfeed. When he's sleeping, that's when he do the fight. That's why I had to go away, because if he see her, he get the strength to yell and go over there to eat. So I just had to step away for a second. And he was out of here in like 5 or 6 minutes. He tried to fight with me too, but it's kind of hard. He ain't got no milk to grab to get his strength. So this is what we get. But get his rest so he can probably be very active today. I'm sure of it. We shall see.
Both of them. Zanzibar, Ferry.
Where come from?
America.
America?
Mhm.
Yeah, okay. Trump.
Oh.
President.
Ah.
It's good or no, President Trump?
He's no good.
No good?
Yeah.
Really?
He's a crazy man.
Mama.
Everybody knows Trump.
No, don't mess with that. You want to get back there?
Ferry, maybe another meeting. Maybe we need to go to Spice Farm, please on the island, just to look at photos.
Yeah.
Yeah, where we need to go to the nice beach in Zanzibar.
You will take us?
Yeah, maybe a nice meeting.
Oh, okay. Prison Island, yeah.
Prison Island?
Yeah.
Just to look at big photos.
And that beach, yeah.
Beach is nice. Maybe we need snorkeling. Yeah, diving.
Which beach is that?
Diving or snorkeling, that nice beach.
Snorkel.
Snorkeling Matem.
Yeah.
Yep.
Right. I'll be up on the front with the kids. Right.
At the front with the kids. Y'all
go snorkeling.
get some good
Yeah,
video.
I go snorkeling. I ain't doing that. Trips. Do you see that? It looks just like that.
Again, that is the evil. Why you must be a shady? Hey, must be a shady.
You think there's a tree somewhere? A baby tree?
Now, hey.
This is Stonetown.
Yeah.
I bet the street food is good.
Even the street food is ours.
Yeah, it is. It really.
I haven't gotten sick eating or anything.
Me neither. By the Karaoke Market, I
said what?
No, he's trying to mess with me.
We made it, y'all.
Yes, we did.
Realize I gotta rotate the camera slowly so I won't make people dizzy.
Yeah. I was getting a whiplash. Somebody said that in the video. Can you, not a video, but can you not turn the camera so fast?
Duly noted.
I'm like, my bad.
You got a point. Oh.
I haven't seen those bags since my mother used to shop like that. They said clothes here are cheaper than Tuesday. For real?
Clothes are cheaper.
Oh, I need to give me a couple of extra dresses.
Keep that in mind, right? Negotiate down to less than half.
I've been meaning to get a couple of
20,000.
This is Market Darjani,
Market Darjani.
fruit market.
Oh. What is there a spice market here too?
No spice market. Spice market.
Another island.
Yeah, we really showing people the world. That's crazy.
Did that bother me? You're not even eating.
It's safe for food.
Wow.
It's for the seed down the young.
Shampoo. Oh. Oh, it's gonna slide down like that? You need to learn how to climb trees like that.
You say you finna learn how to climb trees?
Did you say you wanted to climb a tree?
Yeah.
That's a big tree.
No mahaba.
There's not even any branches.
Mahaba, you know.
Mahaba.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is it? Coconut?
Yeah, mahaba, just a good morning.
Oh, yeah. Mahaba. Wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a tourist spot. Wow.
Like a Stonetown.
Wow.
That's the same song.
This is the hotel?
No,
Oh.
but you are checking for the pet park.
That's the same song from that Kilimanjaro video.
So this is the resort we're staying at. It's called Zanzibar Beach Resort. So it's really beautiful. There goes the beach right there, the Indian Ocean beach. That's where we were staying at, up in there. It's our little villa here. Very nice. Hey, T3. T3 ready to go eat breakfast. They have a little playground area for the kids. Right here.
Mambo.
Mambo.
Good, how are you? Thank you. Good job, T3. Friendly little kid.
This is the dining area. Yeah. We have a pool here. Pool is really nice too. A swim up bar area right here. This is the inside area. Mambo. And then now we're about to have breakfast, so see y'all later.